In the green heart of Europe lies Slovenia, a charming little country with a very diverse landscape. The country's geographical diversity is truly remarkable, offering a picturesque mix of alpine, Mediterranean and Pannonian landscapes. The capital and largest city of Slovenia is Ljubljana. Bled is located on the edge of the Triglav National Park, surrounded by the Julian Alps, known for Triglav, the highest mountain in Slovenia. The town features Lake Bled, complete with a small island and a church, accessible with traditional wooden boats called pletnas. Perched on a cliff, Bled Castle provides breathtaking views of the lake and region, making it a fascinating destination to visit. Bled is also a popular hub and venue for national and international business meetings. After 24 years, the ICAR and INTERBULL Conference will again be hosted in Bled. Slovenian agriculture reflects the country's rich history and mixed topography. Traditional practices passed down through generations are integrated with modern innovations to meet the challenges of today. Agriculture in Slovenia ranges from productive lowland areas to mountain farms with lush mountain pastures. Animal husbandry is the leading sector in the country's agriculture, accounting for 80% of all agricultural holdings. These are dominated by cattle farming, then poultry, pig, sheep, goat and horse farming, beekeeping and others. Slovenia contains large areas of grassland and numerous family farms, with a tradition of breeding cattle, since they are all well adapted to the country's natural environment. Slovenia also boasts several of its own breeds. On the national level, Slovenian local breeds have a broader role, apart from socio-economic aspects, due to their wider societal importance, and contribute to many ecosystem services in agriculture. Transferring the latest knowledge into practice is the work of the Agricultural Advisory Service, a network of secondary and higher agricultural education institutions and agricultural faculties. The Department of Animal Science at the Biotechnical Faculty of the University of Ljubljana, namely the organizer of the ICAR and INTERBULL Conference, plays a crucial role in educating the next generations and transferring knowledge to practice. A warm welcome awaits guests and participants of the ICAR and INTERBULL Conference in Bled in May 2024. We will be delighted if you join us in the enchanting setting of Bled.